Hi, welcome back. I am going to show you today how to make a cinnamon roll dish out of the Grand's biscuits. So what you'll need is the biscuits, 1 can, and then you'll combine that with half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then you will make a frosting out of powdered sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll melt that, and 2 lids of milk. So let's get started. First, you want to preheat the oven to 350. And you're going to want to cut up the biscuits. So let's get those cut. That's the recipe. I just wrote it down just in case you want to follow that along. And this is the scary part. Okay, so if that doesn't pop whenever you do that, you can just press it down with a spoon or knife or whatever you find, just right on one of the creases, and then see what happens. It's always very scary. Okay, so don't really have the best angle here, but just do the best I can. So let's get these cut up. All right, so you just cut them in 4s. Ooh, I guess they get kind of sticky, so have to probably be a good idea to put parchment paper or something on there. These are gonna be pretty but delicious. So, let's see if we get the rest of these done. Alright, so once you have them all cut up, you'll add in the brown sugar. Whoa. Add in the cinnamon. Then you just kind of roll that all together. Like that. It smells so good. So it's all combined in the pan. Then you're going to make the drizzle for it, the frosting. So you'll combine the butter and the powdered sugar, and then 2 caps of milk. Alright, so you see this is a nice creamy texture in it. And you'll just drizzle this over the biscuit pieces. Okay, looking delicious. Then you put it in the oven, bake it at 350 for 22 minutes.